Today we're reviewing Ruwac's Baby Red Pro Hepa vacuum simulated with 75 feet of vacuum hose. This vacuum is ideal to run long lengths of hose to pick up material like vermiculite, maybe mold, lead paint. You could leave the vacuum downstairs and pick all this material up quickly. You can even suck up golf balls. So that's been a review of Ruwac's Baby Red Pro with 75 feet of hose. Proper way to maintain Baby Red Pro, you're going to have a shaker bar. That's how you're manually going to shake the filter. You're going to drop the dustpan. You want to make sure you have a respirator on because that mold or lead might be in the air when you empty the dustpan. Turn the vacuum motor on. Remove the pan and simply remove the bag. Tie the bag off. Enter a new bag and you're all set to start vacuuming again.